So today, I will do unboxing of Funko Pop. So far, ito yung medyo kinaaaliwan ko in the past few days. And if you're not familiar with the Funko Pop, isa siyang miniature toys. So maraming genre yung Funko Pop, from Disney to Marvel to TV series, movies, musicians, and TV ads, and so on. So let's do the unboxing. Step aside ko muna, and this is the first Funko Pop na nabili ko. Okay? So itabi ko muna. The first Funko Pop is B of BTS, or from BTS. The next one is Josh BASKIN. From Ravens, si Lamar Jackson. NFL series. Next one is Logic from the band. The next one is from Boston Celtics, Larry Bird. So mga classic or iconic na NBA player. This movie na napanood ko sa Philippines 2019. So very memorable. Kaya nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko I need to have one of these pop icons. Okay, the next one is Superman. Sino ang hindi makakakilala kay Superman? Childhood superhero na pinapanood ko. And then the next one is Goku from Dragon Ball Z. Next one is Scottie Pippen. So, Scottie Pippen from Chicago Bulls. Michael Jordan, of course, from the Chicago Bulls. And then the next one is Bobby Hall from Chicago Blackhawks. The 40-year-old virgin. And then the next one is Cuddle Team Leader from the game Fortnite. And the next one is Pili. Cute na, di ba? Next one is, ano pangalan to? Ripley from Fortnite. Russell from Dark Days. TNT, Tina. Dead Mau 5. Next one is Josh from 21 Pilots. And then ang kasama niya ay si Tyler from 21 Pilots also. Dwight Schrute from The Office. Brian May. Freddie Mercury, Roger Federer. Okay. Next one is Golden State Warriors, Stephen Curry, LeBron James. Classic NBA players, si Allen Iverson from 76ers. Garrett Cole, Corey Seager, Tiger Woods. Harry Potter. Oliver McQueen from Arrow TV series. Frontliner, male nurse. So salute to our frontliner heroes. Bala ko rin kumpletuhin itong military. So meron na akong Pop Marines. One of the new wave artists or pop rock artists na gusto ko during my high school, ang Duran Duran. This one is from McDonald's. Diba? Ang cute na Pablo Heart. Kompleto siya ng artist, JC Chases, Justin Timberlake, Joey Patton, Chris Kirkpatrick, Lance Bass. Ganda siya, no? Pang collectors talaga yung itsura niya. So ito lang muna. And then the last but not the least, I hope tama yung guess ko. Kung ito na yung "10" Funko Pop. Okay naman siya, not bad. So, this is LeBron James, Los Angeles Lakers 10" Funko Pop. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.